Respect.
Yes.
Of course.
And we are feeling really, really joyful. Good morning, beautiful Jamaica. How are you doing? How are you all doing this morning? I'm vibing with nature. And the king man a peel piece of cane for I and I. Look here. What you doing?
Eating some sugar cane, you know?
Who is that for?
My wife, Empress Judah. What video me?
Hey, you're on the video. You're on the video. Rasta, look there. Look there, people. Apple tree. And the apple tree a blossom too. See it there, remember my banana trees? See it there? Grow see this?
What you
say a garden you do?
Yeah.
You're not video, no neighbor house.
No, I don't want that.
Alright, see it there. See your grow see there. Eee, nice. Family, listen. If you have backyard space, please ensure that you cultivate a bit of crops for yourself. It's always best to grow your own, and as such we encourage that, and that is what we do. So we try our best to grow our own food. Whatever we don't grow here in Maypen, we grow it in the hills of Clarendon, where my mom is originally from. So Rasta and the lads them gone way down in Ireland. Look there. Look how far them there. But look at the vegetation, people. Look how it green. Look how it lush. Look at the trees. Oh my God. And guess what? I'll have to cut some of these trees down. Choose a nice little spot to put our nice little, well, not a mansion, or nice little abode, or nice little house. So I'll have to clear out some of these trees. We've not yet selected a spot, but as soon as we choose a spot, then we'll know exactly where we're going to drop our little house. But for now, you can call it woodland. But it's not a woodland. It's pure fruit trees. See there? Banana tree, plantain tree. See there? Cocoa tree, or what they call chocolate tree. See there? That look like one citrus tree, yeah. Look like a tangerine tree. Yeah, because tangerine is on it. All different kind of trees up here. Oh yes. May I walk through, see there? I'm walking through. But this is where we are. The land go way back so. All the way back and come all the way around. See how far away I am from the house? Yes. Okay, dokes. Look how far them there in Ireland. Way down so. Look there. Yeah, man. I don't think that I'm going to trek all the way down there because I'm wearing shorts and I don't want nothing to scratch I up. So I'm going to stay right where I'm at. Mommy killed the pepper tree. See there? So if you can't eat the cane. Where are you going? Mother, get in the car. Get in the car. You not drive? Why you not driving today? You on the move? Uh-oh, she on the foot move today. She not drive no car today. She going to get a taxi. You getting on the taxi or the bus? Alright, goodie. See you later. That's my mama. You can't tell her if you do, you know. Yeah. I'll be ready when you get back. People, my mother, she a rebel with her cars. Listen to me. They say I'm just like my mama. I'm not lie. I'm the living image of my mother. Stay tuned, family. And thank you for watching my vlog.